Hey guys, Brian Walton here with XLR8 Roofing and Construction, Sanford, Central Florida. What I have here is I have a return, and I kind of wanted to point this out because what we have right in here is we have some rotted decking. And kind of the issue from the get-go is at the bottom of this valley, the water was almost working its way back up in here and seemed to have rotted all this out. So a lot of times what guys will do is they'll take a metal flashing and they'll reinforce this whole area so that it's actually bulletproof. When the water comes down, in a perfect world, it would run down the roof, but with all that flashing there, it's gonna keep it off that part of the area and have it run down the shingles here. So another interesting part about this detail in a roof is that if you look underneath here, this here, not a lot of people know, but this is a really common spot for rodents, squirrels, raccoons, all those type of animals to get inside your attic. So whenever you have your roof done, or maybe if you're not getting your roof done and you have an animal product in general or problem in general, you always want to check underneath here in this area. So when we do this roof here, we're going to have to tear off the shingles up underneath here. So it's a really good idea to have a professional rodent elimination company come out and seal these areas for you. Couple different ways. They can use like a mortar and kind of like a concrete, if you will, and kind of seal that up, or they can actually make like an aesthetically pleasing box out of like aluminum flashing. But either way, you want to have protection on those areas to keep rodents out. So thanks for watching.